All right, guys, Angelo, Christian. Hey, are you looking to refinance? Maybe have bad credit? Hey, that's okay. We actually refinance down to a 500 credit score. So Americans, if you're out there and you got a bunch of equity sitting in your property, I don't care if you're in California, Texas, Florida, I can hook you up on the hookup. All right, guys, Angelo, Christian. Hey, are you looking to refinance? Maybe have bad credit? Hey, that's okay. We actually refinance down to a 500 credit score. So Americans, if you're out there and you got a bunch of equity sitting in your property, I don't care if you're in California, Texas, Florida, I can hook you up on the hookup. Whether you're a veteran, you're trying to do an FHA loan, a hard money loan, we can do a refinance down to a 500 credit score. You can pull out the cash and you can pay off your debt. You can, make investments, whatever you want to do. Let me give you some certain examples of people that we've recently helped. I helped an investor in Florida, in Miami. He had a three-family worth $500,000. He had a 495 credit score. He refinanced it. He owed it free and clear. He pulled out $400,000 in cash to buy 3 more rental properties, 3 more investment properties. I helped a veteran in Texas. He refinanced. His home was worth $400,000. He owed $150,000. He had $90,000 in debt and a 526 credit score. So we refinanced his house, paid off all his debt, consolidated. He went from $5,000 a month in bills down to $2,000 a month, saving over $3,000 a month. All right, so if you're out there and you're trying to refinance, let me walk you through the process. We go down to a 500 credit score on our refinance program. It's a wonderful opportunity out there. I know a lot of your banks probably maybe they denied you. They told you couldn't qualify, you couldn't get the loan. That's not true. Let Angelo Christian help you. We do bad credit refinancing and with great interest rates, great loan terms. All the closing costs are included in the loan. You don't have to pay anything out of pocket for closing. The only thing you have to pay for is the appraisal fee, and that's it. We can normally close in 30 to 45 days, but don't let your credit score be the hang up on why you can't get your refinance done. I want to be able to hook you up. We can do VA refinances, FHA, conventional, private refinances, all different types of refinances to get cash out to pay off your debt. So it's an awesome program. The way it works is, let me give you an example. Let's say that you have a house, it's worth $500,000. We can typically go up to 80% of the appraisal. I have a client right now in Dallas. His home is worth $400,000. He needs to pull out $50,000 in cash to put a pool, and he wants to pay off $40,000 in debt. So he's getting out a total of $90,000. He has a 540 credit score. So we're going up to an 80% loan to value. Right now he has a first mortgage. He owes $110,000. So we're paying off the first mortgage. He's getting $50,000 for the pool. $40,000 to pay off all his debt. We're consolidating everything, stripping it down into one payment, right? And he's going to put the pool in his backyard. It's tax-free money. He's putting no money down. He's going to get up to 2 months free, no house payments, right? So it's a wonderful opportunity, and he's going to be boosting up his credit score by consolidating all of his debt. So it's an awesome program for you guys out there if you're trying to do a refinance. I don't want you guys to think just because your bank told you no or you don't have an 800 credit score that you can't qualify for a refinance. I've helped veterans all over the country refinance to pull out cash and consolidate to pay off their debt. I helped a veteran the other day in Oklahoma. His home was worth $650,000. He had 2 mortgages. We paid off both mortgages, his RV, his car, and $60,000 in credit card debt. He was paying over $8,000 a month for all that debt. We consolidated it all down to a payment of $3,500. He went from $8,000 all the way down to $3,500 a month. So refinances are my favorite. It's an awesome opportunity to get out of debt, boost your credit score, and you don't have to put a down payment. So what else could you want? I know a lot of places out there that they need like a 620, 700 credit score. You have to put a down payment for your refinance. That's not the case here. Let us help you with a bad credit refinance. We'll clean up the credit, boost up that credit score, and then you can refinance again in the future to get a lower interest rate. So let us help you in any way that we can. You can also check out my other videos on my YouTube channel on how to boost up your credit score and different loan programs that we offer. You can click on the YouTube channel, the subscribe button down below to get more great information. You can call me directly. We do answer the phone here, 832-431-6900. 833-431-6331. Or if you want to get pre-approved, there's a link down there right below to sign up to get pre-approved today. But this is the bad credit refinance. Hey, up to 80% loan to value. Okay, whether you're an investor, you own your home, you're trying to get out of debt. Wouldn't it be great if you could get out of debt, put some money towards your retirement, go on that vacation, become debt-free? Well, that's what you can do with a debt consolidation refinance. So let Angelo Christian help you. Give us a call. I want to make sure that you have a great life and that you're not under the roof, under your, you don't want to be freaking out, stressed out that you're under debt. Nobody wants to be in debt. It sucks. So this is a great way to help you to get out of debt. Tap into your home's equity to get out of debt today. Call my office at 832-431-6331. Let us help you to get out of debt. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye.